Hi guys, this is Aatharva Vignesh. In this episode, we are going to talk about commands in Java programming. Why commands is used for? Commands is used for code readability by the programmers. Whenever you are writing 1000 lines of codes, it must be understandable and readable by other programmers. Then we have to use command. That is a good programming approach. So in Java, in general, there is a two types of command. That is single line command and multi-line command. Whenever you are writing a program, if you need single line command, if you want to use the command, then you can use // and then whatever you type in, it will be commented for single line. For example, if you are want to make this int variable commented out, then you can go ahead in front of the int and you can use // so this variable will be commented out. So this variable will not be defined or declared. So this is the use of single line command. Whenever you want to comment out a variable, we can use single line command. What is multi-line command? So this is the multi-line command. But whatever denoted within the / within this enclosure is taken as multi-line command. /*/. So this is the multi-line command, and whatever denoted within the *** is taken as a multi-line command. So whenever you are having a method, you want to comment out the entire method, then you can use multi-line command. That's it for today, guys. I will meet you in the next video tutorial. Until this is signing off, I'm Vignesh.